Hey YouTube, it's Troll here again with another video. Today we are in Northwood's esports gaming facility. Check this place out. Alright, we have computers and computers on computers, guys. It's nuts in here. Even have a broadcast room. Check this out. How's it going?
Currently have an AFK, so pretty good.
Nice. The league players. We have our stage up here. This is where the magic will be happening. Check out yourselves on from the camera's view over there. It's so cool. Check out the broadcast room. So we head into the broadcast room. Check out this wonderful piece of machinery I actually got to put together. Ran all the wires and cords and stuff on it, tried to make it as pretty as possible. There's only so much I could do here. And today should be pretty decent, boys. All the stream stuff, all the cameras. Figure out where everything goes. Got the Blue Yeti microphone. Our sponsored chairs. Corsair keyboard. Mats. Whole 9 yards. This is actually the computer that our Minecraft server runs off of, which I very much plan on getting started up again. Let me know if you guys want to hop in on that Minecraft server. Let me take you over to one of the computers, show you what they're about. We all got our stations, right? This is my computer. They're all running the same hardware. The Ryzen 7. No, not the Ryzen. The i7 with the GeForce RTX 2070 graphics card on the B360. It has 2 terabytes of storage and running on Windows 10. Log in, check out that old profile picture. I'm gonna have to update that one here soon. I actually brought my own mouse, so I'm gonna have to plug that in. You can hop on and I can show you more on here. And this is the game code that I can play on. We've got everything on Minecraft. Just got to download it on here. So I'll hop on here and show you the frame rates. That's me. Let's go. on, come on, come on. No. Okay, so that was my gaming facility. It's pretty cool in there. I know I didn't go too in depth on what everything was. It was kind of self-explanatory. Basically, just a lot of computers that were really cool, and there's an amazing network system in there as well. We actually have 3 different forms of internet, or 3 different providers of internet, just in case one goes down. We have another one that kicks right back on. Couple other cool things like that, but for the most part, that's what we're working with, and it's a really good setup, and I really appreciate that I'm able to go in there and play games every day. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope it turned out well. Make sure to slap that like button, and have a great day. See ya.